Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Starlink Mini. The Starlink Mini is a compact and portable version of SpaceX's satellite internet system, designed for people who need fast internet on the go. It's small enough to fit in a backpack and very easy to set up even if you're not tech savvy. You just plug it in, connect through the app, and within the minutes, you're online. The speeds are impressive for such a tiny device. Users report download speeds over 100 Mbps in many areas. It works well in remote places where there's no regular Wi-Fi or cell signal. The Wi-Fi range is decent, enough to cover a small cabin, RV, or camp area. The device also runs on less power, making it great for solar setups or battery packs. It's built to handle outdoor conditions like wind and rain. The monthly fee is a bit high, and the upfront cost isn't cheap either. But for people who travel, live off-grid, or work in rural areas, it's a game changer. You don't need a large disk or heavy equipment. The Mini is light, sleek, and surprisingly durable. It's also great for emergency use when other networks fail. Gamers and streamers may still face some latency issues, but overall performance is reliable. In short, Starlink Mini brings powerful internet to places where nothing else works. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.